Another hip hop breakdown. Let's get right into it. Here we go. All right, that is it. We only got 2 8 counts. Today I got a lovely Mia helping me out. So thank you, Mia. This is recorded out of Cabrillo College, Aptos, California. All right, and we got Maria behind the camera. So we got 2 quick 8 counts today. Let's break the first one down. Actually, this is the first 4 count. We're going to do a slow. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. And that's it. So basically what we're doing is it's a pas de bourrée. Okay, pas de bourrée. It is actually French. I'm sure they don't pronounce it that way, but this is how we say it here, pas de bourrée. Here we go. I'm hooking my leg down across right here. Right on the 1, I'm crossing. Okay, so this would be my right leg hooking across or behind my left leg. 1, that's 1. On the and, I'm opening up. So if you're looking at the mirror, okay, on the 1, here's the 1. Right on the 1, you're crossing your feet. So you look in the mirror, it's crossed. On the and, you're opening up. So it's not crossed anymore. 1 and right on the 2, you're opening up again. So the gap between your legs should be a little bit bigger. Okay. And what's important on the 2 is I'm leaning forward on the 2. So my weight should be on my right foot. Okay. Right foot. Hip is sticking back out. A great job right here. Okay. 1 and 2. On the 3, 4, back leg comes in, hooks around. Okay. Chest and head leans back and the hip goes forward. That's my 3. Return back to the 4. Let's watch that halftime. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. All right. Pretty simple. Let's take a look at it. Tempo. 1 and 2, 3, 4. That's it. One more time. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. All right. Next up, let's move forward. Here we go. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2. All right. So this part of the choreography, it's not easy to end on the 8. So I went all the way to the 2. Let's check it out. Starting on the 5, because we just finished 4. Remember that. Okay. Here we go. 5 and 6. Now this part, the 5 and 6, that's the same as pas de bourrée, what we saw earlier. Okay, 5 and 6. I'm rewinding it again. Here we go. So obviously now I'm doing my left leg. Okay, left leg is hooking on the 5. 5. Remember, cross on the 5. 5 and open up on the and 6. Lean forward on the 6. Now instead of 7, 8, we're going 5 and 6 and 7. This one's a little bit fast. Look at the back leg. And it's tapping on the and sliding. I'm sliding on the 7 right there. That's the slide. 7. And then now I'm doing what a lot of people call the grapevine, right? So basically it's pas de bourrée to the back and the front. Check it out. So that's 7. Here's 8. This is just like the beginning of a pas de bourrée. 8 and... That's the and 1. I'm crossing to the front side now. Okay, so when we did it before, we're crossing the back side. Now I'm going to cross the back now to the front. Okay, front, open, 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 open. All right, so that's 1 and 2. I'm going to rewind that just one more time so we can take a look at it slow. Here we go. 5 and 6 and 7. 8 and 1 and 2. All right, so I'm not going to rewind it, but you guys could rewind it back when I play slow-mo. So we're going to take a look at it tempo now. Okay, this is starting from the 5. Here we go. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Okay, so that was quite fast. I'm going to play that one more time. Here we go. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2. All right, so that's it. Moving forward, we stopped at 2, so now here's 3 and 4. We're going to go slow. 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so this is we're having our arms and leg together. Okay, so here we go. This is 1 and 2. On the 3, let's take a look. 3 right there. So I'm bending down. Before this is 1 and 2. See, I'm standing straight up. Not really straight up, but my legs are apart. But my back is straight. Okay, 1 and 2. Lean forward on the 3. Reaching. This is my right hand reaching. 3 and on the end, this is my right hand reaching down. 4, pulling up. Both leg comes into the center. That's my 3 and 4. Okay. Right on the 5, I'm stepping out. So my left leg is stepping out. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so I'm gonna rewind that again. I just want you to focus on just the leg for now. Okay, just the leg for now. So I'm stepping 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now let's focus on the arms. Okay, this is 4. Arm pushes out on the 5. That's my 5. And this motion, if I were to describe it, it's almost like if you think you are rowing, rowing a boat, but you're rowing on both sides. So right now I'm rolling to my right side, punch out on the 6, okay, and 7. On the 7, I'm punching both arms out to the side. Drop my arms on the end, come up on the 8, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, okay. Let's watch this one more time slow, starting from the 3. 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so that was slow. Let's just watch that part at full speed, tempo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so that's quite fast, but I think you guys get it. So this is only 2 8 counts. Let's watch the whole thing one more time, tempo all together. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 8, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 8. All right, cool. So Mia did a great job. Thank you again, Mia, and hope you guys learned something from this. If you did, definitely hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and share with anybody who can benefit from it. Until next time, this is Ceech. I'll holler at you later. Peace.